First of all, I have to congratulate you on finding this very obscure video about the Norwegian Joy. This is probably video number 234 that you find available on YouTube just on Norwegian Joy. Yeah, it's a old ship. Every YouTuber has made a video on it. So it's going to be a challenge for me to show you the obscure, and probably I'll get like 5 views by the end of the year. Anyway, let's start with the tour. Oh, I don't have a badge to get in. I'm kidding. I do have a badge to get in. See, they gave us these fancy badges. Press here. Voila. The door opens. Ooh, let's get into the haven. Oh. When you get into the haven, the very first piece of an amazing technology is this restroom. And check, the light is off, which means Roxanne is not in. So let's check. Now, why do I say this is amazing? We've got here a button that I can press, and wow, it opens like open sesame. We get inside, and you've seen previous videos on restrooms I did. Well, this one is not different. First thing is, I've got no clue how to close the door, so we just wait. Now, we hope that it is locked. It isn't. You have this little button here. You have to press lock. Now, the red light has come on. Oops, is it really locked? I have no clue if it is locked or not. But anyway, you see what I mean. I think it is locked, and then you've got the open door. Oh, it's opening. Maybe it was not locked. Glad I didn't need to use it. I was only doing a demo. Okay, let's carry on. And we have to pass discreetly. There might be a ton of people over here, and we have to be very calm, very quiet, very discreet. I don't want to go filming all these famous Hollywood stars that you always find here in the haven. See? Look at it. It's full with people. Here at the bar, I'm so happy nobody is in here, so I can film a little bit. But usually over here, we've got a ton of people drinking, using their drink package all the time. You would think these Hollywood famous people, they are all drunk completely. I'm glad we didn't see any of those weird scenes, yeah? If I didn't show you this, you would not believe that I'm in the haven, yeah? So I have to show you this. But you've seen this in the other 233 videos, so I'm just going to pass quickly and go straight to one of the best places that we can find over here. Yeah, cool. You've probably seen a ton of videos on the Observatory Lounge, which is just under this one. This is the Haven Horizon Lounge. It's the equivalent, but for the Haven. Let's see how it is. Yeah, nobody. It is port day, so they are outside. Well, it doesn't matter if it's a sea day or port day, but you do have here some food to stuff yourselves, and a coffee machine. There I come, and it's more often than anything broken. And you get coffee. Let's get on some action here. Let me show you a bit of the action we have here. Absolutely nothing happens in this lounge. There is no piano, no bar, so you've got a ton of space where you can do whatever you want. Doesn't matter. There's nobody here. Let's wait a bit. You bored by now with the video? Yeah. I think the name of this Horizon Lounge should be changed to Boring Lounge. Probably it would be more representative. Okay, that's enough. Let's get it going. Let's show you some more stuff. I'll go into my room. I need to grab a jacket to show you the next part. You might not believe it. Well, I'm trying to keep this video PG-13, so don't watch me. I'm going to change from my Panama shirt to put my polar shirt. See, it is a polar. Good. Jack Wolfskin. I'm not doing advertising, but it's a brand that, as in Switzerland and Germany, we use for really, really, really cold weather. So as you can see, I'm still in the Avon. You see this beautiful swimming pool? Nobody here, nobody around here. And why? They have this, oh, I've got to put the mic. They've got this thing freezing. Over here, you see that air vent? It's blowing cold air like hell. So I try to avoid getting in and out, or else you get the flu. You'll get sneezes, you'll get all this cold weather. You don't believe me? I think I can make a demo. I wonder why, but for the demos, I need the restroom. Yeah. It's not working. Here it comes. Let's grab some more. Oh, I wanted a long sheet. I can't have one. Let me try to pull it gently. No. Here it comes. So now I've got a long sheet of paper. Okay, guys, see this? There it is. See it? Blowing hard. And with this, there's always nobody there in the pool. They make it so that we always take good pictures out of it. It's very good for advertising. This beautiful pool where you get serenity. But at least we've got the recycling thing. Let me put here the paper. Good. Now I have to go back to the room, change back to the Panama shirt, because I'm in Panama City today, so I want to be looking like the locals. And in Avon, a cool thing is we've got our safe, so we can always put the things in so that nobody takes them out. And they are quite good and spacious. See, I'm going to put my laptop in. Doesn't fit. Well, maybe I can cut the laptop in half and break it. Oh, I'm back in my clothes, but I can't find my mobile phone. I must have dropped it somewhere. Let's check where it is. There it is. That's the good thing, yeah. It's so empty that nobody takes anything away. So why bother if your laptop doesn't fit into the safe? Just leave it by the swimming pool. To be quite honest, I think this place could do with a piano player or a guitar player, somebody playing some music to just keep us entertained. And maybe over here, put some alcohol drinks here, Norwegian, NCL, if you're listening to this. Get some alcohol and get somebody to entertain us here in the Avon. Okay, let me show you the last place I want to show you. Which is quite nice. See, the bar filled with people drinking. And now we go up the stairs. Yeah, we are Avon Restaurant. Yeah, at the Avon Restaurant, we can just grab any wine we want. That one or this one. Check it out. Just drink, drink, drink. Nobody's going to bother you. Yeah, we sit anywhere we like. Perfect, isn't it? Look at this table. See, this is what's good about this is, yeah, we can do all the silly things we want. We'll all be good with it because it's quite hot. I'm going to have some fresh stuff. Well, but I love the lobster bisque with this heat. I'm not sure. Oh, mozzarella and prosciutto. This should go well, yeah. And then probably grilled salmon. Why not? No, shrimp. No, yeah, the grilled salmon. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'll be a bit on the lonely side, but I tell you, the food is amazing here at the Haven. That doesn't matter. Whatever the people tell you, the reviews, don't believe them. Food is amazing. Already had previously the salmon for lunch. This is awesome. And I tell you one thing, it comes with this bok choy, which is delicious. It's got this vinegar flavor on it. And then with the avocado, oh my God, you guys need to try it. Need to try it. Find a way, I'll smuggle you here into the Haven and you can try it. I better not. The bok choy. Oh. The grilled bok choy with this vinegar. Oh my God. I can't tell you how fantastic, amazing this food is. Just between you and me that nobody's looking, I'll try to sneak out without paying the bill. This is how Haven guests behave. Okay, la 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 la, nothing's happening. And leaving now the Haven. Oh my God, it was such a good lunch, wasn't it? Oh, I'm asking you as if, oh my God, this is outside the Haven. Oh, I can't get in. This architecture of this ship. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little satire, which is a satire about the Haven. I'll do the proper review afterwards. In the meantime, if you did enjoy, do subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that very much. And of course, if you like these satires, check this other video with a satire on another luxury line. Looks like I'm becoming brand famous for doing satires on luxury brands.